Bitcoin gets the headlines. Ethereum gets the hype. But there's one crypto you probably never think about, and it might be the most powerful money tool to build personal wealth. You've likely never used it, and you're missing out. It doesn't swing in price, it doesn't make the news, and yet it's becoming one of the smartest ways to store and grow money: stablecoins. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use stablecoins to protect your savings, grow your cash, and access tools that traditional banks don't want you to know exist. In 2021, people poured billions into Bitcoin hoping for massive gains. They chased NFTs, bought meme coins, all just hoping to get rich overnight. While everyone was chasing momentum, smart money started paying attention to something else. Coins like USDC, USDT, and DAI, they were boring, stable, and they solved real problems. From moving money instantly to saving in dollars in places where you couldn't access them, like in countries going through a currency collapse, they gave people a way to earn more interest than a bank would ever pay. In 2020, stablecoins had a total value of less than $6 billion. 2 years later, that number passed $150 billion. The big thing about stablecoins is they're stable. No surprise there. These assets are designed to stay closely pegged to the dollar. Okay, it is a little boring, but it means they are extremely useful. Here's how. First, they're fast. You can send money to someone in another country in seconds. It doesn't matter if it's Saturday night. There's no bank involved, no wire fees, just tap and send. Second, they're programmable. That means they can be used with smart contracts. You can automate savings, you can use them as collateral to borrow other money, you can earn interest, and it all runs automatically with no paperwork. Third, they can earn real yield. If you leave money in your bank account, you might earn 0.5%. If you hold stable coins on certain platforms, you can earn 4 to 6% or more. And that's with a dollar-pegged asset, not something volatile. If you want to start using stable coins, here's what you do. Download Coinbase or Crypto.com. Set up your account, deposit dollars, convert those dollars to USDC. It's a one-to-one exchange. Then you can hold your money there and earn between 3 and 5% per year. Depending on the platform, you can withdraw anytime, no penalties. Unlike a savings account, your balance doesn't lose value to inflation as quickly because it's earning interest. Another use for stable coins is sending money overseas. Let's say you work online and get paid in dollars, but live in a different country. Holding stable coins lets you keep your earnings in dollars. You can convert them when you need to. You're not stuck with bad exchange rates or long bank delays. You can also use stable coins to borrow money without selling your investments. Let's say you have a bunch of Ethereum that's gone up in value. You don't want to sell it and pay taxes. Instead, you borrow against it. You lock it up on a platform like Aave or Nexo and take out a loan in USDC. Now you've got cash in hand, and your investment keeps growing in the background. This is the same idea Elon Musk uses when he borrows against Tesla shares instead of selling them. Only now it's available to anyone with a crypto wallet. Stablecoins are also the key to using decentralized finance or DeFi. These are systems where you can lend, borrow, and earn without banks. You can go on Aave, deposit your USDC, and start earning 4 to 6% right away. Or provide USDC to liquidity pools on platforms like Curve and earn rewards. These strategies can be more advanced, but they give you new ways to grow cash without giving up control. And in some parts of the world, stablecoins aren't just helpful, they're necessary. In places like Argentina, Lebanon, Venezuela, and Turkey, people face massive inflation. Their local money loses value quickly. Banks freeze withdrawals. In those places, stablecoins like USDC give people a way to store value in dollars, even without access to US banks. People use them to buy food, pay rent, save for the future. It's not about crypto, it's about survival. Stablecoins aren't flashy. They don't promise 100 times returns, but they are useful. They give you control, flexibility, and access to financial tools most people don't know exist. You can earn while you hold, you can move money faster, you can borrow without selling, and you can avoid the traps of inflation and low interest savings. If that sounds like something you want more of, subscribe to this channel. We break down strategies that help you build wealth using tools most people overlook. And if you want to learn how to use stablecoins in a complete crypto-first financial plan, check out these videos next, because money is changing, and now you have the tools to change with it.